What's up, everybody? We are on another little road trip, day trip. So I'm very excited. We are up in somewhere, Arizona. I forgot the name of the town. But the important thing is we are close to Petrified Forest National Park, which I've never been there before. The wife has been, and she said that it's really nice for car photos and car videos. So we brought the purple car, because it's the only car I've been driving lately. The wife's getting ready, and I'm gonna get ready by washing the car. It is filthy, it is dusty, but it's also 20 degrees outside, so this is gonna be kind of miserable. Oh, is there ice on my phone? There's ice on my phone and I can't feel my fingers and I miss Phoenix. Most of that water has frozen on my car and my lips are cold. I grew up in Michigan and you think I'd be used to this stuff, but you get unused to it quick. Oh my gosh, even the tripod is frozen. I don't have to worry about my phone overheating either, at least. Yep, I was gonna clean my wheels here, but this is all ice. Gotta use the Quick Trip card for its intended purpose. It's really nice that there's like nobody else here right now. Couple things. The park is very lowered car friendly, which is very nice. It's basically empty, which is also really nice. And it's really pretty, which is also really nice. I guess we've been on Route 66 together. I do want to go see the lion theme park. I want to see baby lions. I would be very surprised if it was still a thing. Got this old Studebaker. You know, if you take the wrap off of my car, this is what mine looks like. One big piece of rust. I love it though. And look, I could do the same patchwork I did in my WRX. Honestly, just some 16 gauge mild steel and a Harbor Freight welder. I could get this bad boy up and running again. Easy peasy. It's a nice color sign you got there. What's your favorite road snack? I think mine might be kiwis or a pound and a half of green grapes. Comment below. I'm curious. I understand the importance of preserving this big log, but building a giant concrete slab underneath it just makes it look ugly. till sunset to get some more scenic footage, and I think I waited for the right time and went to the right place. Yeah, I woke up this morning and it was freezing, and then the sun came out and it warmed up so much so that I got a little toasty. And now as soon as the sun goes away, you can immediately feel that it gets cold. So now it's back to turning on the heat. Back to Burr. Petrified Forest is an absolutely beautiful place to visit, and I would highly recommend going to see it. And it's a great spot for car photos and videos, if you couldn't tell. But we couldn't stay there forever, so we had to stop at Maverick to get some mandatory burritos, and then we were on to our next stop. So if you couldn't tell, we are standing on the corner in Winslow, Arizona. It's such a fine sight to see. But we are also on our way to Sedona to tail out this little day trip, so I'm pretty excited. All right, goodbye Winslow, Arizona. Off to Sedona. Sedona is super pretty, and I'm very excited to get some footage and pictures of the WRX somewhere scenic. But yeah, that's very true. Everywhere here is very scenic.
And it's nice to be here in the winter because it's not crazy crowded.
Yeah, it's not super crowded, and it's also not super hot either, which is nice. Or super cold, it's perfect. All right, so side note, my wife likes thrifting.
It's so cute.
And this is kind of like her birthday trip anyways.
Notice it's orange.
Yes.
Orange is my favorite color.
We got some wood bowls
I
too.
don't know how it's gonna fit in the car, but we'll make it.
We'll figure it out.
I'm so excited. It fits. If it fits, it fits.
I said lightly. This place is really, really pretty. And you busted out the film camera?
Yeah. First time using it.
Gotta find the right place for car photos though, and videos. We were here earlier and the lighting was just a bit too harsh. It's pretty nice right now, but I think we could still do a little bit better because this looks really nice, but I want to get all that gorgeousness. But this is the last stop on our little day trip, so the outro I tried to record up here basically didn't work out at all, so you get editing Grant instead. Sedona is so pretty, it almost doesn't even look real, and Petrified Forest was such an awesome stop as well. If you guys like this kind of content, we have a lot more on the channel and a lot more of everything else too, so stick around. And subscribe if you liked the video, or, subscribe if you didn't like the video too, I won't be upset.